Bro, look at this lady.
Yeah, you already know.
Woman, what's wrong with you? Oh, snap. Yeah. Yeah, you need dental work. But anyway, man.
I'm a young fly from the west side getting money. You gon' learn it.
Bro, wait.
You gon' learn it.
Yeah, you already know.
I'm tripping. But anyway, man, what I got for y'all is Latch. Scary short horror film by Crypt TV. You already know it's finna be lit.
If I throw a couple raps on the back,
And since it's finna be lit, I need you to smash your face into that subscribe button. Tap that notification, man. Damn it, that notification bell, so you will be notified when I upload a video. Smash that thumbs up, man. Give your boy a whole bunch of likes. A whole bunch of likes, man. And I'm gonna thank, man. I wanna thank my subscribers, old and new. I appreciate y'all for being part of this lit team. My brother finna be lit. Finna be lit. I already know. Get your shade if you don't got it. Y'all ready? Let's go.
from the west side getting money.
Hold out the match and say, "Show me the light or leave me in the darkness."
Show me the light or leave me in the darkness.
If you hear something, turn away, light the match, and wait. Do not look back.
Man,
Look,
bro,
you might see
man.
something looking back at you.
Put the candle down.
Or I can...
Girl. Oh, you think you're a savage? Oh, you a savage?
Show me the light.
You're gonna be savagely dead. That's what you gonna be.
Show me the light or leave me in the darkness.
Talking about, bruh.
Daniel, come on, open the door. Stop holding the door handle. I'm not holding. I'll be right back. Daniel? Daniel?
What's going on? What we up against, baby? God, that was your imagination. It had to be, bruh. Oh, that was her that did it? Oh my God. Lord, have mercy. Have mercy, Lord. Have mercy. Have mercy, Lord. Have mercy, Lord. Oh, you dummy! You dummy!
She said
There's nothing in the closet. Keep it shut.
The mama knew! What's this? Oh, it ain't done? So hey, that's the mom? That gotta be the mama. Yeah, I think that's the mom. Oh! Bro. Oh! Bro, what? Come on now. Oh my God.
Watch new scary vids every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Yeah, you already know.
I'm a young fly from
The mama knew what was. She knew. She knew.
Yeah, you already know.
If I throw a couple raps on the back, girl, you gonna earn it.
Oh my God.
But I swear, girl, you gonna
I love y'all. I'll see y'all back on the next video.
You got 'em shaking and fainting, you got 'em
Oh
going crazy.
my
Knock off the
God.
chain. You just want me 'cause I'm famous. Flipping on you, if you want it, gotta earn it back.
That woman knew.
Catch 'em slipping like he. After all, I'm the dog.
Oh, shit.
So swell, took the what, pimp IB. With my amigo, we got honey, super bougie. Keep it 1G. You know exactly who I be.